students, formality, in which formality is denoted by capital F. And what is formality? The number of gram formula mass absolute dissolved in per liter of solution is called formality, and formality is denoted by capital F, where F equal to number of gram formula mass absolute upon volume of solution in ml. If solution present in ml, so we multiplied by 1000 here. So formality equal to WB into 1000 upon MB into V. Why we use 1000? Because we know very well 1 liter equal to 1000 ml or milliliter, where WB equal to mass absolute, MB equal to gram formula mass absolute, and V equal to volume of solution in ml. And what is molar volume? Molar volume of solution is the volume of solution occupied per mole of solvent and solute both. So molar volume equal to 1000 upon Na plus Nb ml per mole. Our next topic is molality. What is molality? The number of moles of solute dissolved in per kg of solvent. It is always remember that in molality the moles dissolved in per kg of solvent. Let WA gram of solvent contains NB moles of solute in the solution, then molality, how can we calculate? Molality small m equal to NB upon WA into 1000, where NB equal to WB upon MB, means mass absolute upon molar mass absolute. Then M or molality equal to WB multiplied by 1000 upon MB multiplied by WA. This is molality and formality. And our next representation of concentration of solution is mole fraction. What is mole fraction? We can define mole fraction: the ratio of number of moles of one component of solution by the total moles of all components in the solution is called mole fraction. Let us consider the example of binary solution having two components A and B. If A equal to solvent and B equal to solute, then moles of solvent Na equal to Wa upon Ma, and moles of solute equal to Wb upon Mb. Then mole fraction of solvent Xa equal to Na upon Na plus Nb equal to moles of solvent upon total number of moles, and mole fraction of solute Xb equal to Nb upon Na plus Nb, means moles of solute upon total number of moles. So we can say that mole fraction equal to moles of one component present in total moles of solution. These are different representation of concentration in any solution. In next lecture we learn the different numericals, solve how we solve all question with simple tricks or formulas. Thank you.